Good hit.
Easy.
He's gonna jump.
That was a good hit. You gotta take the wheel, take the wheel. That was a monster hit.
Oh, it's peeling, it's peeling. Head shake.
Yeah.
Let's go.
He's gonna jump. Watch.
That was sick. He's peeling, he's running. Just let him run.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. That take was so different. Oh my god.
That giant one we threw up. Long dog.
Long dog.
Keep him right behind the boat if you can. Watch the line.
Yeah. I'll keep the line straight.
Let's go.
I got when I grabbed that rod, it was melted.
Dude, that thing was firing. Oh, there he goes. He's starting to run. Let's go.
Yeah, get that.
He was swimming towards the boat. Now he's shaking. Get the head shakes in.
Coming up, I'm watching.
Yeah. He might cross this line to my left.
You want me to pull it in?
No, we're good. We're good.
He's swimming right with us.
Yeah. Oh baby. Oh.
Nice.
Beautiful. Look at that beauty. Oh my god. And yeah, hooks out. Yeah, I think the net's doing it. Oh my lord. Let's go.
Nice fish, man.
Let's go. Oh yeah.